So good morning students. This class is connected to the previous lecture, which is mind map. So in today's session we are not having the words here. The whiteboard is totally blank. You can see the board is blank. Okay, and there is only the sense, that is war, but the words are missing. Let me tell you, this class is connected with the previous lecture. This class is connected with the previous lecture in which we discussed some few bunch of words. And for today's session, this is going to be mind map session, and we are not having the words, but we are able to see the words on our mental screen. Like this is fallible, this is avarice, this is invincible, this is hegemony, this is vilify, this is vilify, and this is altercation, this is denounce, this is sagacious, and this is edify. So on our mental screen the words are clear, the words are visible to us, and now the sense is also clear to us. So let us try to speak the sense which we procured, the sense which we procured about the war. This is our plot. So let me start. So war makes the people fallible, that the people go on making mistakes. The root cause of the war is avarice. Avarice is the root cause of war. I must tell you that war is not the game of mediocre people, it is the game of invincible people. But yet the war creates hegemony, the war creates subjugation, and the war creates torture. It creates hegemony. When there is war, the countries and the people, they start to vilify one another. They start vituperation for one another. They try to disparage one another's character, one another's personality, one another's, they try to vilify one another. The war creates lot of altercation. The war creates lot of commotion in the society. It destroys the social equilibrium. Nobody loves war. Everyone denounces war. Everyone criticizes war. Everyone belittles war, because war is not good for mental peace. It is not good for society. It is not good for anyone. Even it kills the sagacious character. Even it kills the sagacious people. It kills the intelligent people. So at the end I would like to edify, at the end I would like to instruct, and at the end I would like to educate you that war is not good for social peace. War is not good for social balance. It is always damaging. It is always annihilating. It always obliterates everything. So ये था हमारा सेंस, और ये थी हमारी वोकैबुलरी. जो वोकैबुलरी हमें मेंटल स्क्रीन पे दिख रही थी, लेकिन उसके लिए जो हमें सेंस चाहिए था वो हमने ऑलरेडी प्रोक्योर किया था. हमने इन वर्ड्स को अपनी सेंस के साथ कनेक्ट करके एक वंडरफुल प्लॉट बना लिया. थैंक यू.